like Cycle Tron 2. Armadillo Gears of War. McLaren M412C Need for Speed Most Wanted. The Deuce Brutal Legend. M35 Mako Mass Effect. Brute Chopper Halo 3. The Bear Saints Row the Third. Suzuki Escudo Gran Turismo. Grand Theft Auto v Merryweather Jeep. Phantom Corsair L. Noire. The Epoch Chrono Trigger. Sweet Tooth's Van Twisted Metal. Ghost Halo 3. The Regalia Final Fantasy Roman 15. Bullet GT GTA Roman 4. GT Citroen Gran Turismo 5. Scorpion Halo 3. Batmobile Arkham Knight. Warthog Halo.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.